Welcome to Ellon Academy's virtual assembly for Friday the 26th of February. As you'll be aware, we've had additional pupils in school this week, those pupils who've been working on admin, drama, hospitality, woodwork and metalwork, and it's been a pleasure to have these pupils back in school. It's been good to see them and good to see them working away on the practical elements of their courses. Also, since January, as you know, we've had key worker and vulnerable pupils in school working on their Google Classroom remote learning and supervised by school staff. Since January also, we've had our G7 ASL hub pupils in school, some of them that is, and it's always good to mention that they've been here and they've been working away really well with the supervising staff also. So this week coming is World Book Day on the 4th of March, which is actually next week. And Mrs. Murdoch and the Library Committee and members of the English faculty have been working really hard to make sure that we celebrate and mark World Book Day as best we can under the circumstances. And so therefore there's a lot of virtual activities going to be happening over the next few days. So there's going to be a link in digital, a link to digital book tokens within Google Classrooms, and that is for S1 and our P7 pupils, and they'll get an opportunity to download a digital book token, and a selection of those books are also available from Ellon Academy for S1 pupils. But there's also copies of these books in local supermarkets such as Tesco here in Ellon and Morrison's further afield. So that's a really great offer and a very, very good price for some of these books. So award-winning author SF Side has posted a World Book Day message for everyone. So I'm going to share that link with you as part of the presentation later on. It's a good one to watch. It's very short. Also, for older pupils, we've got a Bitmoji book quiz, and that's going to be on Google Classrooms for some of our older pupils through their English studies. So look out for that. That'll be a good one to get involved in. And also, there's going to be a competition to guess who is behind the mask, Ellon Academy's version of the Masked Singer, but this time it's going to be the Masked Reader. So have a wee look and see if you can get the clues as to who is behind the mask. And that will be posted up on senior English classes and also in Team PSE and their Google Classroom as well. And the Library Committee are going to be involved in Send a Story Around the World for the World Book Day Poem 2020, and that's also going to be on the Team PSE Google Classroom, and that's been led by Ilsa and Anya in S6. So well done to you all in the Library Committee for organising this. So finally, as I said earlier, it's our wish that we get as many pupils back to school as is possible. So when the government makes different announcements, and we're expecting further information when Nicola Sturgeon talks to Parliament next Tuesday. So we're waiting with bated breath as to what that might look like, and obviously we'll share that with our staff, our pupils and our parents as well. But can I say to all of you young people who continue to work remotely from home, just keep going. It is coming to an end. We've started to see so many vaccinations happening across the country, so there is some hope, there is some light at the end of the tunnel, so keep going as best you possibly can, and obviously and lastly, stay safe. Thank you until next week.